Okay, this is chapter 6 homework video. 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.13, 6.15, 6.20, 6.38, 6.65, and 6.85. And I'm going to talk a little bit about 6.85. So in this problem, they're asking for the height from the top of the slide to the surface of the water. They give you initial velocity of 0, and then they give you a distance from when the swimmer leaves the slide until they hit the water of 5 meters, and then the time from when they leave the slide until they hit the surface of the water, which is 0.5 seconds. Before you do anything, you have to find the final velocity and then also the height from the bottom of the slide to the surface of the water. So for V final is just change over x, or change in x over t is going to give you 10 meters per second. And then what you want to do is you want to find h2. So I labeled h2 the height from the bottom of the slide to the surface of the water, and h1 is what you're trying to find. So h2 is going to be 1/2 times gravity multiplied by t squared, and that's going to be 1.23 meters. So this height right here is 1.23 meters. And then after that, you're going to want to find h1. So for h1 is 1/2 mass times the final velocity squared is equal to the mass times gravity multiplied by h minus 1. And you want to solve for h. So after a little bit of algebra and you solve and you set up the problem how you want to and you plug in all the numbers, it's going to look like this. h1 is equal to final velocity squared over 2g plus h2. And then as you can see right there, h1 is 6.33 meters.